Are you stuck trying to lose weight? Add protein to your toolkit. In this video, I'll share with you 3 ways to get more protein in your diet. I've also got a bonus tip that will help you not only get more protein, but it will help you with your weight management or your weight loss goals. Make sure you stick around for that one. In my studies on weight loss and getting lean, I found that about 1 gram per pound of your ideal body weight can help you lose weight, get lean, and stay strong as you lose weight. First things first, start your day off with a protein-rich breakfast. You can skip out on your traditional breakfast pastries, your traditional pancakes, donuts, things like that. Opt instead for eggs or lean meats such as turkey bacon or turkey sausage. If you're okay with cholesterol or a little bit of extra saturated fat, you can go for bacon or regular sausage. If you're vegetarian, you've got options like yogurt. You can add protein to your oatmeal. My favorite hack is called my morning peanut butter protein shake. It's a scoop of protein powder, a scoop of powdered peanut butter, and a scoop of amazing grass green powder. I mix that up with some almond milk. It makes for a high protein, low calorie, good, rich breakfast. Next up, you're going to want to make sure that you're eating protein-rich snacks. Probably every 3 to 4 hours. If you're hungry, go for a little bit more protein. Now again, you can eat everything from lean chicken. You could have boiled eggs, you could have some yogurt, but those protein-rich snacks really help you get closer to that protein goal every day. Third, add protein-rich sides to your meals. So when you're eating your meat, make sure you're having protein-rich vegetables or legumes on the sides. Beans and legumes are a really good source of protein. Lots of vegetables like broccoli also have protein. Now they're small amounts, so you're not gonna get a ton, but if you're the type of person that you have a meat with some vegetables, it's a really good way to up that protein count by adding some protein-rich sides. Also, remember, you can have a protein-rich dessert. One of my favorite after-dinner treats is a bowl of Greek yogurt with some berries and some walnuts and maybe a little honey or maple syrup. That's a protein-rich snack that helps me finish off my meal with just that little boost of protein. Now, I told you to stick around for the bonus tip, and here it is. Stay away from processed foods as much as possible. What's a processed food? It's a food that's in the middle of the grocery store. It's foods that have a lot of ingredients, a bunch that you can't pronounce. And here's the issue. A lot of times, processed foods are low in protein, high in fat, and high in carbohydrates, which doesn't help you reach your protein goal. Not only that, but if you eat processed carbs, especially early in the day, it's going to lead you to crave that sweet, that salty, that crunchy taste throughout the day, which again is not going to lead you to want more protein. So opt for protein-rich or healthier options for snacks. I love to aim for as many real foods as I can throughout the day. So if I want that crunch, I'll go for a few nuts or a few seeds. I'll even throw a couple of cubes of cheese or something like that in. And of course, eat fruit, eat vegetables, eat hummus. Try to vary up your foods so that you don't get bored. I even eat canned chicken or canned fish at times because those are high in protein and I like the taste of them. But whatever you do, have the mindset of I'm going to get my protein in and then I'm going to build around that protein, because if you can build around the protein, you can hit that protein goal and you can start to lose weight and get lean. And again, remember your purpose, or at least the purpose of this channel is to glorify God in all that we do. The reason we get our protein, the reason we keep our weight under control, the reason we're doing this is not to look good in the mirror, not to feel good about ourselves. Those things are okay, but it's ultimately to glorify God, and that's what we're here for. If you want to set goals to glorify God, whether it be for your diet or other aspects of your life, I've got a video for you that can help you do just that. And there's even a free template to help you out. Check it out.